Hello, everyone. Today, we will talk about one of the greatest minds in history, Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo was not just a painter. He was also an inventor, a scientist, and a dreamer. Are you ready to learn about his incredible life? Let's get started. Early life. Leonardo was born in a small village called Vinci in Italy in 1952. His father was a notary, and his mother was a simple peasant. Leonardo was curious about everything around him. He loved nature, animals, and the stars in the sky. He did not go to school, but he learned by observing the world. New word, curious, wanting to learn or know something. His art. Leonardo was most famous for his paintings. Have you heard of the Mona Lisa? It is one of the most famous paintings in the world. People still wonder, why is she smiling? Leonardo also painted The Last Supper, which shows Jesus and his disciples. He was very careful with details. For example, he studied human faces and emotions to make his paintings look real. New word. Famous, known by many people. New word, detail, small parts of something. His inventions. Leonardo was not just an artist, he was also an inventor. He drew plans for flying machines, parachutes, and even robots. Some of his ideas were ahead of his time, even though many of his inventions were not built. They inspired future scientists. New word. Invention. A new thing created by someone. New word. Ahead of his time, very advanced for his time. His love for learning. Leonardo loved to learn new things. He studied math, anatomy, and engineering. He believed that learning never stops. He wrote his ideas in notebooks, and he even wrote backwards. Yes, he wrote from right to left so people could not easily read. His notes, new word, notebook, a book for writing notes. New word, anatomy, the study of the human body. Conclusion. Leonardo da Vinci was more than just an artist. He was a man who loved to learn, dream, and create. His story teaches us that curiosity and hard work can lead to amazing things. Now tell me, what did you learn from Leonardo's story? Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to learn more stories like this. See you in the next video.